Alright, so welcome to this section of the tutorial. Now in the previous section we imported our site. Now you can see how beautiful this is. Now we're going to start editing this page now. So here we have our black bar which says edit page, and some other options are also here. Now before we start editing, let's make sure that under our plugins our Elementor here is updated. Now as you can see, they said there's a new version of Elementor available, so here we can just click on update now. So what you have to do is just to come over to your plugins and update your Elementor. So that's all you need to do. Okay, so when you've done that, as you can see here, our Elementor is now updated. Now when you come over to this page and you refresh it, okay, so as you can see, we have another option which says edit with Elementor. So I'm going to be clicking on this edit with Elementor here. Alright, so as you can see, it's loading. Alright, so this is our edit page. Now as you can see, we have Elementor here. Now we're going to be using Elementor to edit our pages and our elements in the pages here. Now as you can see, we have our logo and some buttons. So here we have our Elementor widget. Now anything we click here, have the settings appear by this side of the page. Okay, so let's just try that out. So when I click on this middle bar here which says edit section, this 6 dots here, when I click on it, now as you can see, settings related about this entire box here will appear by the left side. So you head over to style. Okay, so you click on choose image. So here you get over to upload files, then select files. Okay, so here we're going to be using this one here which says hero. So I'm going to click on hero, then click on open. Okay, so I'm going to click on insert media. Okay, so as you can see, our picture has been changed. Now as you can see, so here we have broad vision, honest service, and great value. So here you can change this to whatever you want by clicking on this pencil icon here. Okay, so you can also change this here by clicking on it. So when you click on it, you can edit your text here by the left. Okay, so here you can edit this button, and you can also delete any of these buttons here. So if I click on this button, or I right click from here which says edit column, I can just click on delete. Now as you can see, you are free to do anything here on your website. Okay, so I just exercised my freedom. Alright, so here we're going to align this button. So we're going to click on pencil icon here which says edit button. So when you click on it, now you can now change the alignment here to the center. As you can see, now this is in the center. Okay, so I've showed you how you can edit this. So let's scroll down. Okay, so here we have welcome to the concrete constructions. So we're going to be clicking on this pencil icon here. So here we're going to be changing the name. So I'm going to type in our name. Okay, so here we have welcome to the pneumatic constructions. Okay, so here as you can see, where we build your vision. Now here you can follow their instruction that was written here to write your own text. So here also you can type in your number here, or you can choose to delete any of these elements you don't want. So here we have a picture, so I'm going to be clicking on the picture. So here we have choose image, so I'm going to click on choose image. So I head over to upload files. So here I'm going to go to select files. Okay, so here I'm going to be choosing this image which says welcome. So I'm going to click on open. Alright, so I'm going to click on insert media. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully changed our picture. Now let's start from the beginning. And as you can see, this looks cool. So here you can just edit this, which says our specialization. So here you can choose to type in anything that you want. Okay, so here you can just follow their instructions here. So here we have the architecture. So here they said a short description of this quality. So make these lines enticing enough to prove that you are the best in all that you do. So let's try that out. So I'm going to be clicking on this text here. So I'm going to select this. So here I'm going to type in, okay, let's just delete this and type in we. Alright, so here, as you can see, we'll form the complete concrete structure and custom design to suit architectural and structural features. Now you can also do that and add a short description for all of these. So here you can click on the image that you want to appear on this side. So here you can change the image. So let's scroll down. So here also you can click on this image here to change it, as you can see. So you can click on this text here to change it. So here also you can click on the text to change it. Also this button, you can click on this pencil icon here and you can edit whatsoever you want to edit about it. So here we have our recent projects. So here you can click on this text to edit it here. Also you can click on this text, you can edit it here. So here we have some pictures, so we're going to be clicking on each of them. So I'm going to click on this one first. So here we have 6 images selected. So I'm going to click on this pencil icon over here. Okay, so here they're asking us to add to gallery. So I'm going to add to gallery. So head over to upload files, then select files. Okay, so here we're going to be using this our recent project. So I'm just going to add 3, this, and this. So anyone you want to add, you can just add it here. So I'm going to click on open. Alright, so our picture has successfully loaded. So I'm going to click on add to gallery. Okay, so you can see our pictures here, 1, 2, 3. So let's delete the ones that are not that beautiful. So we're going to be deleting this. Also we're going to be deleting this, and also we're going to delete this. Okay, so we are just left with 6 pictures. So I'm going to click on insert gallery. Alright, so as you can see, we have successfully changed some pictures. So that's how you can change every picture here. Now here you can choose the size of the image and the columns. As you can see, 3. Here we also have 3 pictures. So that is how you can edit it. So also here we have the testimonial section. So here you can click on each of these to edit them, and we're going to be doing that. So I'm going to click on this edit section icon here. So when I do, I'm going to head over to style. So here we have choose image. So I'm going to click on choose image. So I'm going to head over to upload files, then select files. Okay, so here we have the testimonial BG. So I'm going to be clicking on it. So I'll click on open. Okay, so I'm going to click on insert media. As you can see, our picture has been changed. Okay, so here we can actually click on this picture here to change it. So I'm going to click on choose image. So I have to upload files, then select files. Okay, so here I'm going to select this. So I'm going to click on open. Alright, so I'm going to click on insert media. As you can see, our picture has been changed. So here you can click on this text here, and we can change the name by inputting any name you want here. So here you can also change the name of his company here. As you can see, development company over here. So here you can type in his testimonials here. So you can just type in and edit whatever testimonial you want to add here. So let's head over to this. I can click on this image here and head over to choose image, then here upload files, then I'm going to click on select files. Okay, so I'm going to be clicking on the second testimonial, so I'm going to click on open. So here I'm going to click on insert media. Alright, so as you can see, our picture has been changed. So here you can also click on the name, the company, and this text to edit it. So here we have our expert team. Now these are the teams of people working in the company. Alright, so here we can click on this image here. So I'm going to click on choose image. I'll head over to upload files, then select files. Okay, so I'm going to start with this first image which says T1. So I'm going to click on open. Alright, so I'm going to click on insert media. So as you can see, our image has been uploaded. So here if you click on this, you can change her name here, and also you can change her email address and her position in the company. So here if I click on any of these social icons here, now as you can see, this is Facebook. So if I click on Facebook and I copy our profile link and I paste it here, when people visit my website and they click on this button, they'll be directed to whatever profile link you paste here. So it's the same for the Twitter also and for the LinkedIn. Okay, so here I'm going to be editing this picture. So I'm going to click on the picture. I'm going to click on choose image. So I head over to upload files, then select files. Okay, so here we have the T2. So I'm going to click on this, then click on open. Alright, so here I'm going to click on insert media. So as you can see, our image has been changed. So here also you can click on any of the images here to edit them. Now you can check your exercise folder for the T3 and practice this yourself. So here you can click on this to edit the email Kelly, his name and his Gmail, and also his position in the office. Okay, so here we have our counter. Okay, so you can click on this text here. So when you click on the text, this is the counter, and the counter is going to appear. So as you can see, this is starting number and this is ending number. So you can change this to whatever number you want. So I'm going to type in 7453. As you can see, it's reading up to 7453. Okay, so here you can edit how you want this to appear or how you want this to be show before your visitors or your guests. Okay, so this is the title. So this is client. So if I edit this text here, this in text here is going to be modified. So here we have the project. So this is 4,000. So I'm going to click on 4,000. As you can see, we have the ending number which is 4,000. So you can click to edit it. Okay, so here also this is project. You can edit this project here also. And also for this repairing, if you click on any of these texts, you can be able to edit them. Okay, so we are actually done with the first page, and I would like you to complete this one yourself. You have this picture in exercise folder which is called T3. Change the name and also change the email address, and also you can edit the text of that. So we have successfully edited the home page. So in the next session of the tutorial, we're going to be editing the about page. So I'm going to see you there.